Today is Monday, July 11th, and this briefing will cover through Sunday, July 17th. What do we have coming up this week? Well, today we do have some dry weather, a little bit of a break from the rain, the much-needed rain that we had. So we're under the influence of some high pressure, and it's going to keep our high temperatures still a little bit below normal. So not a bad day out there today. As we get to tomorrow, though, we do start to heat back up and get back into those 90s. We have the wind switching more southerly, so it's going to bring in that warmer air. But we aren't expecting a whole lot of rain the next 2 days. Just a little bit of chance down near southern Sampson County today, and a little bit near the Triad tomorrow, but mostly dry the next 2 days. As we get in towards the middle of the week, we do have a cold front approaching the area, and that's going to increase our chances on Wednesday. And then it's going to hang out with us for a little bit. So we're expecting it to stall across the region really through the end of the week into the weekend. And that's going to increase our chances for showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the afternoons and evenings, but still a little bit of chance overnight. High temperatures will increase into the 90s as we get into the middle of the week. And then as we see more cloud cover and thunderstorm activity, highs will be limited mostly to the upper 90s. As you can see here, this is the accumulated precipitation for the next 5 days. So today and tomorrow, mostly dry. And then as we get into Wednesday, greater chance of seeing precip across our area. And then Thursday and Friday, those chances continue. It looks like Wednesday right now could be our best chance at seeing the most in the next 5 days. And that you see here from the greens are really below ½ an inch. As we get above ½ an inch, we get closer to those blues. So we have a little bit closer chances of getting closer to an inch across our area on Wednesday. And then as we get into Thursday and Friday, our precip amounts should go down. Here's the Weather Prediction Center's excessive rainfall outlook. Today and tomorrow, no chances of flash flooding. And as we get into Wednesday, all of central North Carolina is under that marginal risk of excessive rainfall. So just a level 1 out of 4 of risk of flash flooding across our area for Wednesday at this time. Severe weather also starts to ramp up on Wednesday, the chances. So again, nothing today and tomorrow. And then Wednesday, we do have parts of central North Carolina under a marginal risk of severe storms. Beyond Wednesday, though, the predictability is too low, so nothing else is highlighted beyond Wednesday. So we'll be keeping a close eye on Wednesday and seeing how that evolves over the next couple days. The tropics, they've been quiet. However, we are monitoring an area in the northern Gulf, so that the Hurricane Center is keeping a close eye on that, see how it evolves over the next couple days. Not expecting anything in the next 48 hours, but then chances do increase for getting some tropical activity organization beyond 48 hours. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that and seeing what the Hurricane Center puts out. The 8 to 14-day climate outlook from the CPC. On the left here, we have the temperature outlook for 8 to 14 days. So this covers July 18th through July 24th, and we are in the above normal favored, however, not as high as some other parts of the U.S. So luckily, it's not going to be as hot as it could be some other places, but we are still favored in the above normal for the temperature outlook, and precipitation outlook is also above normal. So hopefully that'll help some of our drought-stricken areas. Getting to the drought, so this is still from last Thursday, July 7th. And yes, most of the state is still under some form of drought. However, we'll have to see how the precipitation that we got over the past couple days will help us out when the new outlook comes out on Thursday. In summary, mostly dry over the next 2 days, and then rain and thunderstorm chances do increase as we get to the middle of the week and continue into the weekend. Temperatures are going to be below normal today and then start to creep back up in those 90s come tomorrow into Wednesday, but then they'll go back down to the upper 80s as we get into the end of the week. Our main hazard really is just on Wednesday for now, looking at the small chance for severe storms, the small chance of flash flooding across most of central North Carolina. And the forecast below here is for the Raleigh areas. As you can see, high of 83 today, creeping up into the low 90s the next couple days, and then back towards the 80s with rain and thunderstorm chances increasing on Wednesday.